Welcome to the new Pavigres P21 Spectrum Edition, where life, color, and elegance blend into a timeless rainbow. Available in a multitude of shapes and sizes, our spectrum of 50 colors grade from soft shades and pastels to rich tones and primaries, allowing us to create a flowing diversity of wavelength compositions and mixtures. Spraying a consistent lightweight feel and a trendy look of beautiful natural shades, the P21 series is a contemporary statement with roots running deep into the past, making it versatile and suitable for floors and walls, both indoors and outdoors, residential or public. Inspired by people and their uniqueness, our conceptual approach aims to display a patchwork of technical tiles with glaring designs that create infinite possibilities for patterns and ideas, shades and lights, lines and forms, themes and color schemes. Because we know the right choice of colors can open pathways to performance, learning, well-being, and decision-making, and it can expand trails to explore the wonders of your own world. Combining aesthetic qualities with perfect technical characteristics for any surface, this stunning visual collection of tiles with multiple undertones that celebrate the bond between emotions and nature lengthens any space and draws the eye to appreciate all aspects of the room, making it more open and inviting. Perseverance and success, mindset and attitude are the cornerstones for our P21 palette of colors that aspires to add style and texture to your space and provide you with a range of options that will contribute to cater the necessary energy, enthusiasm, and motivation for you to inhale life and exhale creativity, strength, and power. Pavigrés, adding depth and color to your life since 1978.